Hi, today we're looking at the sounds and So we have this as the short form, which is say eh, and the long form er, This one sort of sounds like you're adding r. So you're saying and r, but it's actually one sound. Say Yeah, so that's the long form of eh. Now, the short form can be found in words that have the letter E in them. Words like nest, nest, net, net, say net, set, set, best, best, men, men. Form is er, er. So you have them in words that you have this sound in words that have the letters I and R. R. Words like first, 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 thirst, shirt, shirt. I like your yellow shirt, shirt. Bird, bird, third, first, second, third. Now, this sound can also be found in words that have letters E, A, R. Words like search, search, urge, search. Earth. The earth is the Lord's. Earth. Yeah, earth. And then we also have them in words like pearl, pearl, learn, learn. You are learning. We learn every day. Learn. This sound can also be found in words that have letters E and R. Most times when these letters are found in the middle of a word, words like nerve, nerve, serve, serve. I love to serve, serve. Sermon, 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 not someone. Sermon, sermon. So these are some few words that have the sounds and in them. Okay, so you want to practice. You want to go over this video again. Practice, keep practicing until it sits in, until it penetrates deep into your muscle memory, such that whenever you find it anywhere, it's easy for you to tell what sound is what. It's easy for you to identify the correct sounds whenever you're checking your dictionary for the correct pronunciation of any word at all. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, click the subscribe button, and also share with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Bye.